guys, welcome in or welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another Skims unboxing. Thank you guys so much for supporting all my Skims videos. A lot of you guys tell me that they've been so helpful to you guys, so your girl has been cashing out. Skims lately has been dropping so many new items, so I kind of felt like I had to get it so I can give y'all the review that y'all wanted. Today we're going to be doing the Fits All collection. I've done the Fits All collection a bunch of times, but she dropped some new items and there are a bunch of stuff that I did not get, like the first comes around. Is that even a word? First time around. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are interested in any of my other Skims unboxings, I will leave them below.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
First little bandeau top is super comfortable. I got a medium, didn't really know what to expect, but there's a ton of stretch. I'm not like worried that this band is going to be too uncomfortable because it's actually pretty comfortable. It does have an adjustable strap in case you guys, you know, maybe you're taller, you want some more support. I feel like it's giving me a ton of support with the amount of boobage that I have. I actually love this. I got it in a few other colors, so I definitely will show you guys that. So the size medium is definitely very compressive. The other two that I have that I told you guys, which is a large and an extra large, they're just super comfortable. The fact that it's a medium, these get a little tinier, the straps get a little tinier. I feel like my boobs are a little bit more supportive because with the size extra large, that's what I actually had on in the beginning, was brown. I don't really know how I feel about it. I think that I like the size medium. Would I order a medium again is the question. I mean, it's very comfortable along my like crotch area of my butt. It's not like I feel like I'm gonna get a yeast infection, you know what I mean? Like I still feel like it's still very comfortable, but in the future, if they are to sell out of other colors, a large still works for me. I absolutely love this shirt. It's super cute. It's crazy because this is a medium and to me it's fitting like a small, but I'm loving the way it's fitting. I've recently, when it comes to like skim shirts, I've been sizing down because I just like the fit of a fitted shirt. I have a ton of oversized streetwear clothes and sometimes I just kind of want to look girly and I just love these shirts. I also picked up the little boy shorts. These are definitely panties. I got them in a size large. I'm gonna see if I can hop in without like getting like demonetized or whatever, but these are what the boy shorts look like. This medium fits. What's always my concern is I like my shirts go all the way down, you know, like when it comes to arms. I love the fit of the shirt. Like I said, I normally get a size large in the tops, but I mean the medium is fine. It's super stretchy. How do you like your shirts to fit? Are you looking for like a super tailored shirt where you don't see any extra fabric, or do you want a bit of breathing room? Mind you, even if I would have sized down to a small, I would have still been able to fit the shirt and I would have still had a bunch of breathing room because it's so stretchy. These shorts are very comfortable. I don't know if I would really go out of my way to get more colors. I just don't know how I feel about these shorts as underwear because they're definitely not shorts, they're more underwear, but I would more than likely wear these to sleep, and I could just wear my granny panties to sleep, you know what I mean? But it's cute as in a set, looking cute at home for your husband if you have a young child like I do, but if you have like a teenager, I don't really see you walking around in a set that looks like this. I forgot I got the Mika color bandeau. I don't really know how I feel about this bandeau, only because I feel like if I would have gotten a large, like this top half would be rolling over, but the little bottom band is kind of tight, but it's not like uncomfortably tight. But I wish that this bottom band was a large and this top band had a little more support, because even though I feel like if I am to be bouncing all over the place, it's not going to fall down. I feel like if I got a large, it would have. Yeah, I just don't know how to feel about it because I don't think that I would have sized up to a large. I didn't get any larges to kind of confirm that, but even just like right now, like I feel like if I just start doing the extra stuff, picking up laundry, you know, my boob is gonna roll down because it's not necessarily uncomfortable. It's comfortable enough to wear, but I just wish it was just so comfortable that it was just so comfortable. So like this is the talc and this is the moonshine. The talc is a little more green and the moonshine is a little more like blue undertoned. Okay, so you guys, when it comes to this little half shirt, you need every color. I got this in a medium and this little bottom half is very comfortable, not like that bandeau that I just had on, but this one is super comfortable. I am noticing that with the boy shorts, they are rolling down a bit. They're definitely not like a high waist type of thing. They do roll down, and if you're not like really into underwear rolling down, then the shorts probably not gonna be for you. But I do find that they are rolling down, but I do know that I will be getting some use out of them because like I said, I've just been trying to look cute around the house. I've been looking like a complete bum. My husband is so nice, and he just loves me at any stage that I look at. But I'm just trying to look more sexy for myself, for my husband too. So these boy shorts are low-key super cute. I think he's going to love them when he sees them, but they do roll down. It's not like when I put them over my stomach they stay up, because they don't. I would tell you guys to size down when it comes to the Fits Everybody t-shirts, because I think that you guys would like the fit of it being smaller. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is so cute. Yeah, like I said, it is definitely see-through, but it's super cute. So you guys, I absolutely love this color t-shirt. I think it's gonna pair well with some jeans. It's fitting me like a size small, and it's a medium, but I'm loving it. And I love this color. It's so cute. Okay, so just like with that first Bandeau, I wanna love it, but I don't love the sizing of this band at the bottom. Like the band on the ones that have the siding, super stretchy type of band, super comfortable. I feel like this band is doing too much. Like I feel it. I feel you don't want my boobs to pop out, but I want to be able to breathe, and I don't feel like I can really breathe with these bandeaus. Okay, so this is the bodysuit. I'm gonna just clip it over the panties. Okay, so I very much appreciate the bodysuit in a size medium, because I do feel like it's like being supportive. My boobs look a little bit more lifted because I got on that bandeau. I would not take back these mediums, but I feel like in the future I probably wouldn't order a medium bodysuit when it comes to the like square neck ones. I like the size large. In the beginning, my intro, I had on a size extra large, but I realized that I like the size large. Unless you're looking for it to be compressive, you know, snatch it all up, then get a size medium. But yeah, I think that these bandeaus are definitely going back, because me trying to talk is kind of hard work, and I'm just like, oh my goodness. Okay, so I actually like the color of the rose clay bodysuit. It does give me hints of sienna. When it comes to the actual leggings, I don't know how I feel. They're very comfortable, yet I feel like probably could have gotten away with a medium, because they're super stretchy. Like they're such a stretchy material that I feel like around my crotch area they kind of are bunched up. And when I am to continue to lose my stomach, I mean, even though they're flesh tone with my body, I could have sized down because they're super stretchy. You definitely couldn't get away with wearing white panties or any type of colored panties with these. You gotta wear thong. I don't know how to feel about them. I don't know how to feel, because they feel like pantyhose, yet they're thicker than pantyhose, and they're not see-through like pantyhose, like stockings, yet they're a nice, comfy, dreamy material that I kind of don't want to return them, because I like leggings, and these type of leggings would be itchy. Do you know what I mean? Like if I got these type of leggings from any other place, company, they would be itching me. But I low-key like the leggings. The leggings are low-key a hit, but I think that I would prefer a medium. And as you guys can see, it is a bit see-through. Okay, so do remember that when getting dressed for the day. So you guys, I absolutely love the black tee. I was not expecting anything less. I have it in white, I have it in black. I needed it. I'm like, if you guys seen my previous videos, I'm like, when they have it in stock in black, I need it, and I needed it. I love it. I love how long it is. Even with the size medium, it's going all the way down. Love that. Okay, so definitely very much feeling these little side shirts, especially more than the bandeaus. So I'm thinking that the bandeaus are probably going back, because I could wear this as a bandeau. Like I could tuck this corner in and kind of go. I think that this is so cute. It's so cute. It's so comfortable. Like I could wear these with some high-waist jeans and call it a day. You know, nipples not out, don't have to wear no pasties. Super cute. I do like this. I like these tops. Okay, so as of right now, these little half shirts are some of my favorite things that Skims has come out with. They're super comfortable. I got a size medium. I would not have sized up. It fits perfectly. I would see myself wearing these with some jeans. Does have the little adjustable strap. Comfort. Cute. Like these are so cute. When it comes to this rose clay bandeau, I think that this is the only one that I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna return the Mika and the moonshine one, because they're not comfortable. Even though this one isn't uncomfortable, I like the way it looks. I like the way my titties look. I like the way my body looks in it. I think it's super cute. So I am gonna return those other two, but I'm gonna keep this one. And if I ever do want those colors again, I think that I will just get them in a large. I really do enjoy these Fits Everybody t-shirts. My skin is completely sticky. This one is actually really see-through. You can see the bandeau, and can y'all see how tight the bandeau is? Like seriously, I need a size large. So this rose clay shade, when it comes to the Fits Everybody collection, it's not like any of these other t-shirts, so you definitely could get away with getting it. I think it's super cute. Definitely really needed it. this bandeau. Do you wear bandeaus under t-shirts, or do you wear bandeaus as t-shirts? Because I definitely wouldn't be able to get away with wearing this bandeau under anything. Even though I am going to keep the rose clay bandeau because it's super cute. The other two gotta go. Okay, this Cami bodysuit, I love the little thin straps. They are adjustable, so you can like adjust them however you want to. This bodysuit is a little more giving. I love this bodysuit. I wasn't expecting to love this bodysuit. I think I like this bodysuit a little more than the square neck bodysuits. The camis are just so cute. I need this in black and I need this in the chocolate brown color. The cami is cute. I wasn't expecting this because I have gotten all the other colors, the square neck ones, but the cami is where it's at. The cami is cute. Okay, so this black slip dress is super cute. It definitely accentuates your tummy if you have one like I do, but I'm working on it, so I'm definitely gonna keep this dress. It's super comfortable. I love the size medium. It fits well. I could see myself wearing this out because it's not like really see-through. I would wear it out with like a jean jacket. You can probably even throw on a blazer. Do y'all see how sweaty I am? Like, comment, subscribe to my channel because these Skims hauls, even though they're a lot of fun, it's hot and it's like burning up by the time I'm done. But I genuinely like the slip dress. I feel like my favorite items, of course, are the Fits Everybody t-shirts, the long sleeve and the short sleeve. Get whichever one you want. Those are definitely staples, especially when you size down. And then I loved the little one strap bralette t-shirt kind of thing, because I would wear mine more as a top. Love that little bralette thing. It was so comfortable, so cute. Definitely can see myself styling it up a bunch. I don't really like the bandeaus. So the bandeaus are definitely gonna go back. I normally don't return things, but the bandeaus definitely have to go back. I really enjoyed the little cami. The cami bodysuit, I want it in black. The square neck bodysuits, I mean, they're cute, but the cami bodysuit is low-key cuter. In case you've never had the cami bodysuit, I think that you would really enjoy the cami bodysuit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Skims unboxing. Of course, I have a ton more coming up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and your girl is hot. This is what my hair looks like underneath. We're full on bald. Bald and the bold and the bald and the beautiful. So yeah, catch y'all in my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.